people, man, missed you guys as always. I got a surprise for you guys. We're doing a ride out today. Getting gas right now. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. We got a lot going on today. Stay tuned. Got a Bible verse right here for you. Keep it locked. See you in the field. Back out here. Look.
You gotta see the first one backwards. And then it spins the other way.
You want to John? Say you John, man?
No!
You might as well keep them and go ahead and just put your dots on. You already right.
Look, you will not give me quiet. No, sir. Go from 28 to a replica. Jay a fool. No, just spin one. It automatically does it the other way.
Yeah, they ain't like that though. That nigga got 2 blades on that bitch.
Yeah. We going both ways in here. Yeah, I hate the poke. But that's all right.
That shit right there, like you got a back around on that.
North Carolina from things, man.
For real?
It was worth it, yep.
Was it?
It was worth it. It was worth it, man. It was worth it.
That is crazy right there.
You already know you gonna come out here and goddamn nigga gonna have something.
Yeah, man. That's why I was like, hey, man. So, yeah.
The guy, he ain't a bad shit.
Put it on that little guy.
Right.
So did y'all get the lights working?
Let me tell you, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. So I put underglow on, and like, the joints burned off, bro.
You don't.
It burned off, bro.
You know how photographers are. Yeah, I get you your
It burned off, bro.
3
Right.
years. 3
Right.
years
Let me.
Jay, what happened to the pictures we took in 2020? Oh, I give them to you in about 2026.
My fault, man. You know.
Photographers,
You know.
I
You know.
understand. You know, they got a lot of pics. Got to edit. They got to crop. You know what I'm saying? All this shit.
Look, man. You know. I've been busy.
Yeah, been busy putting on floats.
I love it. Let me find this man so I can get my car. We made it!
Are they just stopping right here?
Yeah, this is stop.
Should we give the cans to and all that shit? I never gave mine out.
You said what now?
Who did we give the cans to? I never gave mine out.
Me neither. Oh, no, I gotta. We out here.
I'm telling Roger.
I thought that was you, fool.
Hey, look, I was like, who the Fitty trying to rock with us? I'm like,
I gotta keep up with the crowd.
Bro, man, hey, that red monster, bro, he slammed on break. I was like, no, bro. That's why I had to swear, bro.
I need to tighten up.
Bro, you need to tighten up.
I need to tighten up.
Bro, them Jones.
Like all the way? No toilet paper?
How deep is that lip? How deep?
I'm not worthy. I'm just not.
Oh my gosh.
I bought my 6.1 out here. I thought I was gonna be the big SRT guy.
16 inches wide.
16 inches wide.
You know, it ruined that for me. But it's all good. I really love this wire.
I assume so, yeah.
Take them over there.
All right. We out here. Out the whole hour of cruising. Man. That's Little Rich be saying.
Little Richard be saying.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that. Man. That's beautiful. Oh, he did got the, okay.
It's Eeyore. Watch out for the muffler.
Huh?
I've had this since I was 18.
Did you really? Since 18?
We conceived our first son.
Really?
Right back there.
Right there. Look.
That's full of monkeys.
Man. All right, sir.
All right, let's fire him up. Fire him up.
Time to go. I'll see you guys when we get back.
Black tie in a black suit, okay. She tryna ride with the crew, okay. So I keep an eye on everything she do not say. Cause you know everything I gotta do my way. Yeah, I know a couple bays, couple downs where to find denim. But they plotting